Good afternoon, guys. We're back here in the shop.
Yep, we're back at Matt's, and
we're going to be actually working on gusseting this frame right here where we cut out previously. We need to remove transfer case. We're going to do a little welding on here to build up the corners, and then we're going to build a gusset, plate it, weld it in. We'll get it knocked out and we'll show you what we got.
first things first, we're gonna go ahead and pull this old transfer case and get it out the way.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Oh, you tied it all down. What are we hitting on up there?
Shouldn't really be hitting on nothing. You're touching nothing over here.
You sure you only have one bolt in it?
Oh, no, there's another one there.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah. She went almost now. Oh,
what?
She ain't gonna.
There we go.
We're hitting here. Drop it down. Let's see if she clear there. Oop. There she might be there. There we go. All right. Come here with me. Maybe go from like here to here.
Yeah, that's the first thing I want to do is figure out how long we want it. I'll tell you, surface in the shop is clean and you get right up there. Oh man, you super handy, man.
How many flat surfaces you got in your shop? With nothing on it? Don't lie now.
I didn't say I wanted to hit it, Chris.
Oh, okay.
I never played with that. Oh yeah, that's gonna work.
Okay.
That's gonna let us catch several.
Oh yeah, all of them.
Yeah.
All the holes.
Perfect. There you go. We gotta make that.
Okay.
See how she fits.
Yeah, she fit.
Pretty good. I could polish it up a little bit more. But I mean,
Yeah. I can burn that in.
oh yeah. Ain't no doubt. polished all your edges, so you get good contact everywhere.
All right.
It fits in there good and snug. You could do a little bit more on that one, really.
Yeah, I'm gonna
catch the top of it.
I'm gonna have to fill that one in a little bit.
Oh yeah, you can definitely feel the warmth coming off of it.
Here, get your light.
Yeah, put some light up there. Ow. Oh yeah, I likes it.
She's welded all the way around.
That's pretty solid there. Nice.
She ought to be stiffened up at least as much as original. Let me go around here and get this one.
Got that half one.
There we go. Which, I mean, honestly, I don't know if cutting that little bit out
was gonna hurt anything.
Gonna hurt anything, because it still had the roll.
Right. Yeah.
But we didn't hurt it by any means putting that in there.
No. Cool.
We'll let that cool off, and then we'll put the transfer case back in.
Yeah.
All right, this is my four-wheel drive shifter. It sits this way. It needs to mount right here. That bolt mounts there, the next bolt over, I think, mounts right there, yep. So, this is in the way.
Well, yeah.
So,
we're planning on moving that anyway.
We need to move that so that I can get the four-wheel drive shifter set in here. We're gonna cut this out. We will put in this shifter on this transmission, but it's sitting where it needs to be. We can do that with transfer case out of the way and give us a little more room. So what I wanna do, this engine and transmission came out of a Bronco, a 89 Bronco. I've got the old Bronco out there. I'm gonna pull the boot out of the Bronco, and we're gonna see if it even closely fits here. If the boot fits, we'll cut a hole just littler than the boot. That way we're not making a bigger hole than the boot, and we can cover it up with the boot.
Okay.
Let me go pull the boot out of the Bronco, and let's just look at it.
Let's show everybody your ridiculous hat.
They got me an old trapper's hat, and it looks ridiculous, especially if you do like this. But it's warm. It is cold outside for Louisiana, people.
Yeah, somebody commented the other day on the video where I wrecked my Nissan. They commented about, oh, 20 degrees ain't nothing. He was just laughing and picking with me, and I get it.
Yeah.
But for us, 20 degrees is miserable.
20 degrees sucks.
Yeah, I'm gonna go around the other side right, so I can get all up in your way.
Thanks. All right. I don't know what's in here and what's not. I'm gonna get to crawl inside here. Got all kind of extra parts. Here we go. I think rats have made this thing a home.
Yeah.
Look, I got one bolt holding it on, but I don't know what size. I'm not sure it's a Phillips head. There's no telling what it is, actually. That's fantastic. I'm pretty sure it's Phillips head, but there's rat nests, all kinds of stuff. Come on. All right, well, let's just take this piece
Okay.
And we'll see what we got.
There's a boot.
There's a boot. So, go look up under here.
How I'll boot that?
Boy.
Come on, that was funny.
Was it? That might work pretty good, actually.
Yeah.
Give me enough room. So, we're going to set the truck on the ground. We're going to have to probably take it off the rack, push it back to where we can get in there and cut a hole. Gracious. We're going to have a bunch of wires in these too. Boy,
What?
this is haggard.
Let's get in there and look. What are we looking at?
I mean, look at these wires.
Oh, yeah.
They just run just willy-nilly, wherever you want them.
I like the,
Don't worry about where they go.
what are they even to?
Who knows? Probably the brake lights or something. Silly like that. Yeah, we'll probably have to be patching this floor.
All right.
Hey, look, we got a hole.
There's a hole there.
Now, will that fit?
I'm gonna have to trim out a little bit more, but I'd rather be too small than too big. What's it looking like from the backside?
Oh yeah, you gotta come. Oh, wow.
What?
You're gonna have to come quite a bit on the
front?
On the front side. You need to start. You got a pencil? You ain't straight.
That's because this is not level. It's climbing.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
All right. Put that back in here. All right. You need to be like. You need to trim like here. Right there, and then move this. That's where the front's gotta be.
Oh, that's where it's hitting?
Yeah.
Up in here?
Yeah. So it needs to come out, and you could actually come this way.
Yeah.
You need to come this way and then come up. But there's where you need to be on the top.
Okay.
And here's where you need to be on the bottom.
Where'd my tool go? There it is. Gah.
Oh yeah.
I can't stick it to nothing. So there and there, more or less. There.
It's fine.
Okay.
It's got to push down.
Yep.
And it's got a little rubber piece that it overcomes. Goes there, which is two-wheel drive.
Yep.
That's two-wheel drive, and then there's two four-wheel drives. Looks like we got plenty of room to hook up everything up.
Looks like it. Here, when I set this over it, this way everything's gonna clear.
Down on the bottom.
I'm touching the floor.
Yeah, you're probably good right there.
Well, cool.
All right.
Well, there you have it, folks. We pulled the transfer case, we gusseted up the frame, we cut door in the floor for the
shifter.
for the 4-wheel drive shifter.
Yep, we got the shifter mostly mounted up. It got late on us and cold, and we're ready to go get something to eat. So we'll see y'all next time. We love you and God bless you.
Thanks for watching.